Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss how to lose the last 5 kgs. Whether it is losing the first 5 kgs or the last 5 kgs, the process actually stays the same. You have to be in a caloric deficit and you have to increase your activity throughout the day so that you can increase the amount of calories that you're burning in a day, and at the end of the day you are in a deficit, so your body loses weight. So it is easier said than done. So probably when you reach that phase wherein you have lost a considerable amount of weight from your body, and now that you are left with last few pounds or kgs, you feel why it is not going, and you also see you are not making equal amount of progress that you used to make earlier with the same amount of effort. This is for the fact that you have already lost weight, and now with the new weight you have lower maintenance calories. So probably if you started at 1600, with the new weight it can be anywhere about 14 to 1500 or probably lower according to the weight that you have on your body. And also the new maintenance calories are lower, and now that you have already been dieting, your body is already in the process and it knows that it is not getting enough calories. So for that matter, it has already reduced the amount of calories it uses to maintain different processes in the body. So here you go, you have lower maintenance calories and your body is using lesser calories to maintain different processes in your body. That is your metabolic rate. And now you'll have to make some extra effort. Now you'll have to increase a little bit of activity in the day, or probably reduce your calories so that you're able to see progress in your weight loss journey. The last 5 kgs, a lot of us tend to hold for the longest, for the fact because earlier when we were losing weight, we used to get away with licks and bites from here and there, and also the fact that we used to take a few free meals which were not accounted for in your tracker, and we were still seeing the result on scale. But now it has happened like you are doing everything same, but you are still not able to see the progress that you are looking for. That is for this reason only, because of your lower metabolic rate and your lower maintenance calories. Your body now is trying to hold on to the weight, and now you'll have to be extra careful. You have to track every single bite that you put in your mouth, and of course it's going to take longer than before because your body is also fighting back. And I also have a different perspective on losing the last 5 kgs. So probably a lot of people feel they have this last few pounds which they will lose and then they will feel happy. So you don't know whether it's last 5 kgs or last 10 kgs, because of the fact that if you lose like 3 kgs, 4 kgs and you look good but you still don't feel that great, or you are not at a body composition or a look that you aim for, so you probably feel, oh, I have to lose another 5 kgs now. So weight कम करना आसान है and 5 kgs lose करना आसान है, but the fact that you'll have to sacrifice a lot for it. Like you'll have to sacrifice going out with friends, or probably your dinner dates with your family or your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or hanging out with friends, going to social gatherings and different places. So these all will be included when you are at that edge wherein you have to lose last 5 kgs. So this is something that I usually tell my clients, that you have to aim for a body type. First of all, you don't have to be carried away by the number on the scale. And second of all, knowing that it is going to take all these things, and if you are ready to sacrifice, of course you're going to reach there. Of course you're going to look the way you wanted, and you're going to get the body composition you are looking for. But at the end of the day, I always question, is it worth it? Is it okay for you to sacrifice everything in your life? Because, you know, hanging out with friends, going to movies, parties, or dinner dates, or, you know, having a gathering at your home is something that we live for. And it is something that we look forward to, and it adds a substantial amount of quality in our life. And it is something that is where we make memories. So I usually feel people who are too much into fitness and are looking to attain a certain look should know that it will take this kind of sacrifice for them to reach there. And if you are looking at somebody and saying that person looks ripped, like that person looks jacked, and that person is how I want to be, so you should know that person does not look like that all year long unless they are blessed. Okay, so or they are actually making a lot of sacrifices to look like that all year round. You can't have the best of both worlds. So you have to pick what is your best and what is it that you want to keep. So I'm not saying do not lose the last 5 kgs or do not actually reach the point wherein you can see this is how I wanted to look and this is my, and it is not really difficult to very difficult to maintain a certain body fat percentage if it is something that your body is comfortable at. But if you're going something below where your body is not supposed to go, or something where your body is not comfortable at, which is very different for everyone, you are probably going to come back. So every body has a certain number or certain weight where it feels comfortable, and you will see yourself once you start giving yourself some freedom to enjoy foods, you are going to come back to that number where your body feels comfortable. So I'm not saying that you should not lose the last 5 kgs. I'm just saying it is what it is going to take for you to lose, and is it worth it? Because in this process wherein people lose, there are a lot of things that they gain, like unhealthy relationship with food, and their weakness around different foods, and in the process of losing weight, they end up looking the way they want. They lose a lot of things like their relationships, and in the end what happens is they start binge eating and gain more than what they have lost. So which is what I wanted to say, and this video is not to tell you that you don't have to lose the last 5 kgs, because I feel whenever I feel I have to lose some kgs and I have to look like that for a certain function, I give myself enough time, I give myself enough food and enough time so that I'm able to do it in a right manner, and so that uske repercussions jo hain wo nahi aaye. So I also expect my clients and everybody like to do the same and understand what it takes. And once you reach there, like okay, you say I am ready to sacrifice everything and I'm happy looking like that, and what after that? When you have reached there, what are you going to do? You're again going to go to your friends, and again you're going to enjoy, and again you're going to get together and have fun, because this is life. So if you're going to do that, you're going to gain it back. And so be happy that yes, I am happy to gain it back, and this is where I am comfortable, and nobody looks the same all year round. So if you want to lose certain amount of weight and look a certain way, so there will be a time where you will be able to do it and you'll be able to look like that, but don't expect your body to be there all the time. So that is what I wanted to make the point I wanted to make from this statement. So yes, losing last 5 kgs is easy. It is not difficult. Losing last 5 kgs is a bigger sacrifice than you made in the start. Now that you have lost those last 5 kgs using the best of the tricks like tracking everything, increasing the activity, in the long run you might not be able to do the same amount of activity, or you might not be able to sustain your lifestyle at such lower calories. So be alert, be aware that you may gain weight, not a lot of weight, but again the 3-4 kgs may come back because of the fact that you start eating the way you used to, or probably you are more liberal with the amount of calories that you're putting in your mouth. So yes, that is it. So yes, you can lose the last 5 kgs, but if your body is holding on to it and it is something that is making your life worse, and you're losing everything, your sanity, your relationship with food and your family, so I think it's not worth it. So I will also take your opinion on it. What do you feel about it? And do not take my point of view in the wrong sense. It's just what it takes to be where you want to.